Mac users, this is Hasibur, and I have created this AppleScript for one of my client who is trying to automate some of their steps for the Blue Iris CCTV camera management software. So my client has installed a motion sensor with the CCTV camera, and when a motion is found inside the camera, the client is getting a notification, and after getting the notification, the client want to see who is there. So the client want to visit and open that camera location. So for that purpose, I have created this automation, and this automation is running all day in the client window, in the client's computer, and monitoring all the notifications. If the notification title or the notification subtitle contains Blue Iris 1 and the notification description is motion detected in the driveway, then the AppleScript is opening this location, and the client have a screen recorder software opened, which is capturing this location and the video of the CCTV camera. And then if the notification title is Blue Iris 2 or subtitle is Blue Iris 2, then the AppleScript is going to open this location and wait for 30 seconds to see which going on there, and then closing the Google Chrome window so that the default recording window comes in the front application, and the record can go from there. So if you need anything like this automation or need anything else, just let me know so that I can help you out.